If you're seeing Facebook error 190, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step way to fix it quickly. This error can happen when Facebook has a temporary glitch, when your internet connection is unstable, or when your browser has stored old cached data that is causing the login or authorization process to fail. The good news is that in many cases, you can solve it in just a few minutes without needing any advanced technical skills. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. This might seem basic, but a quick refresh can often clear a temporary loading issue and force Facebook to reconnect properly. After refreshing, take a moment to check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, because an unstable or dropped connection can trigger error 190 during login, app approval, or account authorization. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try moving closer to your router, reconnecting to the network, or switching to mobile data if you're on a phone. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, browsers store old files, cookies, and temporary data that can interfere with Facebook loading correctly. To do this, open your browser settings, find the Privacy or History section, and clear cached files and cookies. Once that is done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying Facebook again. This gives you a fresh start and removes the outdated data that may be causing the problem. If you're using the Facebook app instead of a browser, you can also clear the app cache from your device settings and then try signing in again. In many cases, one of these 3 steps is enough to fix the issue. Refresh the page, check the internet connection, and clear the browser cache. If Facebook error 190 still appears after that, try logging out and back in, or wait a little while and try again later, since sometimes the issue is on Facebook's side and resolves itself. The key is to work through the steps one by one and test after each change so you can see what fixed it. So to recap, first refresh the page with F5, then make sure your internet connection is stable, and finally clear your browser cache. That combination fixes the error for a lot of users. If this tutorial was useful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.